All right, check it out. We're out here at the jetties. We got one rod with this guy on it. I already caught a ladyfish on it, but you know, it's just a ladyfish, so not much to talk about there. But we also got the live shrimp. I feel like this is really delayed one opportunity. Why is there freaking, I don't know. Sounds good. All right, sweet. I'm kind of stressed now because we only got 30 people in here. Should be a little bit more maybe, but dang it, dude. When I was setting up the camera, people were taking my spots. That's what happens with fishing. But let's get in there with live shrimp right away. All right, when I'm fishing with live shrimp, I'm fishing to catch fish. I want to keep fish when I'm using live shrimp because we had to pay for it. Might as well get something out of it, right? Now tell me, what do you think about the hook? That's a small little hook. That's a small little hook. What do you guys think? Oh, we're at 300 people now. Hell yeah. That's more like it. I was worried why we only had 30. Thought it was on private or something. Now the question is, how do we fish? Too small? It might be too small. Predictions. What do you guys think we're gonna catch? If anything. Or is it gonna be a classic, no fish, thresher fishing live stream? I'm doing the long distance fishing up here, so I cannot bring the camera down there. This is gonna be tough. Alright, what are the predictions? Rocks? Yeah, probably. Baby red, small red, you said? That's a good prediction. Some people have been catching, they look like slot reds out here. I already caught a fish myself, so we didn't get skunked. Guess what I caught? Sheepers, possible. Well, some people already caught. Hey, $2 from Sarcasual Guy. Sarcastic Casual Guy? Is that what that is? Love the content, man, from a fellow Texas angler. Hell yeah, brother. Hopefully you're catching some fish. I was saying, I've already seen 2 people back there. Two people caught snook already. Pretty cool that there's snook out here, but they are small guys. We might be under. There he is. Turn. Yeah. See? I'm telling you folks, live shrimp just makes it too easy. Now, hey, Santiago Elizondo, thank you, man. Now the fun game we always play. Guess how big he is. It looks really small on camera. It looks pretty small in real life. Guess. Predictions. All right? We're gonna measure him. Ugh. What are you guys guessing? Some of you guys are getting it right. I didn't say it. I should have said it in my head, but I got it exactly right. Yeah, everyone's doing pretty good. 16 and a half, fellas. 16 and a half. Not bad. It's gonna go on the stringer. Now the unfortunate thing, ouch. Unfortunate thing, our stringer is really far away, so we gotta go walk to it. Honestly, we don't really need a stringer since we're only gonna be out here for 45 minutes or so. You know, freshness doesn't hurt. Start making merch. We're gonna do it, dude. We're gonna do it eventually. I've been saying that for years on end. 15 minimum, yes sir. $2 from Caserio. Thank you, man. Hey, JD Guevara. What's up, man? I've been seeing your name a lot in the comments and the live streams. I'm from San Antonio. What up? What's up, Nick H? Plan to go to A&M in a year. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it. It's not the tippy top of prestigious colleges, all right? I'll say that right now. But if you go in there and you work hard, you can do some good stuff. All right, let's see if our other fish is still there. Halibut, you're going for halibut tomorrow? Hey, Sheldo with the yen. Hooking it up with some yens. Thank you, man. Showing support, keep it up. Awesome vids, dude. Thank you, man. I don't know how you got that money. That's cool. First one, he's a bit bigger. This guy actually fought pretty good. I thought he was red. Pretty strong guy, and he's pretty fat. There's already a hermit crab in his mouth. All right, let's see. We're only gonna be fishing for. Hey, Arrow Coke. Cock? Coke? I'm guessing it's Coke. Thank you, man. From Destin, Florida. That's a nice place to live, too. Whew. It is very blurry, it feels like.
I'm watching live stream right now.
Oh, you're on it? Live streamception right here. What happens? Oh, you don't even have it open? Come on, man. Right here. Oh, feedback. We're gonna get some feedback in there. It might, dude. It might cause feedback. We'll see. Actually, it won't because it's on like a 20-second delay, right? Ever gonna stay for a boat? I have a boat for right now, the mini boat. If I'm gonna save for something, it's gonna be a new truck. My truck has 170,000 miles, so who knows how much longer it's gonna last. And we need 4-wheel drive, but damn, cars are expensive, you know what I mean? What rod do I use for shark fishing? I use Penn Ally. I think it's like 6'6", and it's pretty freaking heavy. Maybe like 80-pound line, 100-pound line, something like that. San Francisco, damn, you guys are coming in clutch with the super chat. Hey, if you want to give me money, instead of doing the super chat, go check out my Patreon, and you can get some rewards. You can get some fishing info for the area. But if you're not in the area, then you probably don't want it.